Alright, welcome to take 3 of my sunny Land Rover update video. It's to give you an update because I realized a lot of my subscribers are Land Rover aficionados and you guys miss seeing the Land Rover content, so I thought I'd do a bit of an update. It is getting towards summer, which means doing the stuff outdoors with this is actually more difficult for me. I'm a little bit atypical in that when the weather gets hot in the summer, my mobility tends to drop off as a result of multiple sclerosis and the nerve issues that I have. We are going to be doing an oil change on my neighbour's RV over here, which is also a diesel, at some point. This will probably need the gearbox transfer case and probably the diff oils changed at some point. But that may not get done till after Christmas now. It is so close. We've just renewed the rego on this. Other things we need to do are the wheel bearings on this at some point. Although I may pay to get somebody to do them. There is thermostat issues, dashboard problems, temperature gauge in that has got to do. We need to force a regen on this because the DPF is blocked up, or at least it's indicating that. So there's a few things to do. There will be probably an exhaust thing to do with this at some point. We need to figure out these lights. There's so much to do, I can't keep track of it all. We did do some decorations on the bull bar for this thing, and I'm not sure when you'll see this, probably between now and Christmas at some point. But it's just to let you know, yes, I still have the Land Rovers, yes, they're still going strong. We still have stuff to do with them. So there will be more videos. What I will probably do more likely over the summer period is recut some of my older videos. I have over 1,700 videos now public. Meaning there is a lot to recut and a lot that people probably haven't seen. So I'm going to work on some of those. I'll keep the Land Rover content up, try and do something at least once a week in amongst everything else, because I've got daily videos going out. So we'll see you all in the next video, and I hope this is enough of an update to keep you happy. If it's not, get in the comments below, let me know what you are interested in, because I'll try and recut some of those videos and make it more interesting for you. And just an addendum to the videos too. I left my keys in here, that's a good job. When I did my double clutching video, that's got over 500,000 views now. So I thought maybe I get my clutch and clutch plate out and the synchros for the gearbox that I need to put in, and maybe demonstrate how a clutch works and some of the misnomers around it. Be interested to know if you think that's a good idea. Now we also have the number 5 trailer here. I've got the canvas up. It's full of junk. Canvas is up so that it doesn't go so moldy underneath. Interested to know if there's more you want to know about this. We may do wheel bearings on that at some point too. Although they seem to be fairly good. It doesn't get a lot of use. And I'm definitely getting good with my parking distance here. I think I did pretty well there. So anyway, let me know how you go. I'm going to recut some old stuff, and if you guys get into the comments, let me know. It'll give me some guidance as to where I go in terms of what Land Rover related videos I recut. I have definitely changed styles in recent years, so I think I can probably do better on some of the older videos. So let me know what you reckon. See you in the next one, and Merry Christmas if I don't see you before then.